Welcome to the Riverboat Lounge. My name is Carl, and today I'm going to show you a riff on a classic cocktail, the smoked maple old fashioned. An old fashioned is one of my favorite cocktails, and this little riff is perfect for those cold winter months. So we're going to build the cocktail in the glass because there's not a lot of ingredients and it's super simple. First, we're going to start off with a 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. So I recommend picking up a maple syrup that is more local to you. It's just a better quality than some of those store-bought maple syrups, but whatever you have around works also. And then we're gonna do black walnut bitters. 3 dashes of this. Just gives it a nice earthy nuttiness to the cocktail. Then we're gonna do an ice cube. I suggest you use a nice big ice cube for it. It looks awesome and helps not dilute the cocktail while you're sipping on it. Go ahead and put the ice cube in before you put 2 ounces of Elijah Craig. I personally like Elijah Craig. It has a great taste to it. It works really well with the maple syrup and the black walnut bitters. You just want to give this a slight stir to incorporate all the ingredients and to chill down the cocktail. You're not really looking to dilute at all. And then now for your smoking device. There are many different ones out there. This one is from Rocket Loft on Instagram. He lives over in Eastern Europe. He's a great guy, so if you want to check it out, link will be in the description, but you can find many of these online. Next important thing is you have to get a creme brulee torch. You can't use like an Amon flame. That does not produce enough intense heat to get the smoke. We're gonna just let that sit there for about 10 seconds so the smoke can incorporate inside the cocktail. Waiting for that, we can go ahead and do our garnish, which we're just gonna use an orange peel. Try to get as nice big piece as possible. All right, and that's done. And then we're gonna express the oils over on top of the drink, and then just rub the peel over the glass. And there you have a maple smoked old fashioned. It's so good because you can taste the citrus right away. And then the maple syrup just adds a nice sweetness to the Elijah Craig. The black walnut bitters is very nutty. And then that smoke is just underlying throughout the whole cocktail. So this is an easy cocktail that you can make at home, or you can stop down at the Riverboat Lounge here in Dubuque, Iowa, and I'll make one for you. Cheers, everyone.